let's take a quick look at how to make your spring preload adjustment on your BC Racing BR Series coilovers. On the McPherson Strut version, you're going to loosen the lock collar with a spanner wrench and then loosen the lower spring bucket until it's just about loose and you can turn it with your hand. Then thread it just up against it without tightening it any further. Then thread the lock ring right up against the base of it, again also without fully tightening it and locking it. Holding that lock ring in place, use your spanner wrench to tighten the lower spring bucket until there's just enough room to slide your BC Racing spanner wrench directly between, which is exactly 4 millimeters. Make your adjustments on your spring preload evenly on all 4 corners, 4 millimeters at a time. On the rear spring on a non-McPherson Strut, you're going to do exactly the same thing, but it must be mounted on the vehicle to make these adjustments, and you're dealing with a much larger lock ring.